Welcome back to my channel, my Tea Party Squad. In this video, I am going to show you guys the setup of my 2023 social media planner. I went ahead and used these frosted covers by Pleasantly Planned, and also this beautiful gold glitter cover made by one of my planner friends. And I went ahead and used some of my red metal disc that I had already in stack. I do have just a few categories in this social media planner. The rest of my months are in my current planner, which is my social media planner. It is in the horizontal layout. So I have the first quarter already in my new planner, and the rest of the quarters are in the original planner for 2023. So as you can see, I went ahead and used some of these labels to make my headers for my categories. I used my Brother label maker. It came in handy, you guys. So I am going to do a quick flip through and let you guys see just what I am going to be keeping up with inside of this. So first off, let's talk about this front cover that I got from Rose Shadow Collection. I absolutely love the little tea party theme. It is so beautiful. Then I have my welcome page. I went ahead and made a sticker for my welcome page because I just like using stickers instead of my handwriting. And then, of course, my perpetual calendar. I am going to be putting in videos that I'm going to be doing for each month, like an overview of the videos I do each month. That's what I'm thinking about using that for, or maybe like wacky holidays. All right, so for the currently section here, I want to go ahead and start using this a little bit more, keeping up with like my goals, video and real ideas, and maybe some stats here. And then this section I want to keep for like monthly highlights. And we're going to see how that goes. That way I can have a dedicated space for that. And then my monthly page, I have not planned for that yet, which this will probably be more pen to paper at this point, starting off, only because I'm still trying to get an idea of my social media schedule. And so while setting this up, I decided to go ahead and plan for the entire month of January in my social media planner. I do have about 1 or 2 more weeks I do have to finish planning for, but I felt like this would give me an opportunity to go ahead and get this done out of the way so I can focus more on posting my content and then making more time for other things once I'm off of social media. And so I went ahead and did this with some Live Love Posh stickers, of course, and some colorful boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans. And yeah, so I'll be doing more of these type of videos, just showing you my whole setup for the month. And as you can see, I still have to plan for the other months, but I have January through April in here. I'm going to only do the first quarter in here, and then as the next quarter, I'll add the next quarters in there. So the next section I have in here is video ideas. This vellum, beautiful vellum, also came from Planner Press, I believe, and I had that in there. And then in the back of that, I do have video content ideas, which is an social media insert from Fancy Plans Co. that I've been using for about 2 years now, and I tell you guys, it has been a lifesaver in helping me keep up with my content and knowing what I need to complete in each video. And in the back of that, I do have video planner and checklist ideas, because I do like to write down certain things that I don't want to forget to mention in videos. That is super helpful, not only for me, but also for you if you're listening and you may want to find out certain things. And then in the back of that, I do have the social media outline. When I was mapping out what I wanted to have in my social media planner, I made this about a year or 2 ago, and it has been helpful for me into picking out what I want to use for my planner. And then this is my 2023 planner lineup, almost like a planner mapping. This is how I kind of did it differently this year. And I knew what I wanted in my planners and in my lineup, but I didn't know what I want to use in it and have inside. So that was very helpful. And so I just have a few more pages of just some other notes that I have for some upcoming videos. And then the next section of the video ideas is a subcategory section that I put in, which is trackers. And I thought it'd be very good for me to keep up with this, because I haven't been really good about keeping up with it, but I want to start doing that now. And so I decided to go ahead and create this. I just kind of tweaked it a little bit. It was already like pre-made, and I just made my own little thing. I added this social media label to it to indicate this is my social media income tracker, and just keeping up with income that I get from affiliate links and affiliate codes, also from YouTube, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I want to keep up with those type of things in here. So along with that, I do have another tracker. I am going to go back and tally up everything for each month and figure out which sources I got different things from, the total amount for each month in here. And then I just added my cute little logo that I made with my little teacup in the background, which I think is really cute. So I'm going to see how this works out. I think it's going to be beneficial for me. And then I also added this bill tracker that you've probably seen in my catch-all planner. I thought it'd be great to also have that in here because I do have some subscriptions I want to keep up with, like Canva, Epidemic Sound, those type of bills that I pay monthly. I do want to keep up with that as far as like TubeBuddy. And then I have just like some extra notes for note taking as well. The next little subcategory is notes, of course. Keeping up with just notes paper when I need to write things down. I may have a video idea or something I may want to remember to put in a video. I will write that in that notes section. All right, so my next section is business. And I went ahead and used one of my clear dividers to divide up that section there. Using my label maker. I can't remember where I got that clear divider from, but I did get this custom Southern Tea Time vellum from Fancy Plans Co. And I did go ahead and get this printable from Digital Dash Box, which says all of your doubts, #0doubts. And then the next section, I did put another tracker in here, and that's the same that I have in my social media section. Income tracker, just keeping up with different incomes that I get in from that and keeping up with all of those. And then I have January through April in here. This section is actually in the daily planning layout in here because I'm not going to be doing too much planning in here, but when I do decide to do things for my business or working on my business, I do want to keep up with those. And so it's going to be just whenever. I did go ahead and put some monthly pages in here. These monthly pages actually came out of the monthly planners that was exclusive to Amazon. And because I was on the Happy Planner Squad, I was able to get this, or they sent those to me to try out. And so I actually love it. But I went ahead and transferred that page to this section here because it is a daily page and there are things that I want to keep up with for each month. And then I just have a few daily pages in here so that when I'm doing some work, I can kind of keep up with that. And so the daily pages I do love because I am a little bit more detailed in what I do for that day. And so that's what I have. And then I have this beautiful glitter page that a friend made for me. So that is all of what my social media planner for 2023 looks like. So I finally have all of my planners all set up for 2023. I did have a journaling planner, which is the B6 size Sadie stickers planner that I was going to set up, but that's for journaling. So I won't be showing you how I set that up, but best believe you will be seeing some Plan With Me's coming really soon and showing you how I plan for each of my planners. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that it inspires you as you decide on your own planner system and planner journey. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. I do hope you consider clicking that subscribe button and becoming a part of my Tea Party Squad. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.